This is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, expand or launch the control center by swiping downwards from the right part of your status bar. Then touch and hold at the tile that says Internet. Once at the Internet settings and preferences page, tap at the Wi-Fi network that you wanted to share the password of. At the network details section, in here you'll have the share icon which you want to hit, and at the following page that says share Wi-Fi, you'll see the actual Wi-Fi password right over here, as well as QR code that you can scan and get any other device automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.